Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to accomplish factory reset of this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the car icon, this blue icon right here with the car. And here you can use the left tab. From the left tab, let's select the last option, which is the vehicle information. From the vehicle, you can switch between the following tabs: vehicle, system, and mobile phone mirroring. Let's select the second one, which is system. And here you've got access to few information, and also you've got access to factory reset. So let's tap factory reset, the last option of it. And as you can see, all settings will be reset and all data on the device will be deleted. Please do not cut off power during recovery process and make sure battery is fully charged to avoid causing system anomalies. So let's be aware of this. I really recommend to accomplish factory reset before, for example, you sell your car, or if you would like to just have a fresh start, if you mess with the settings and you would like to have everything brand new as it was from the manufacturer, you can also factory reset the car. But in my case, I won't be doing this right now, so I will end the video before I press this factory reset button. So you can anytime just tap cancel to don't do factory reset from that point. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.